Alright, I'm going to try a little Glock golfing. I've got a Glock. I've got some golf balls. So let's see what can happen. I'm going to try to throw these up over my back and shoot them as they come down blind over the top of my head. Get my ears on. Alright, let's try it. Alright. Oh boy. Try it again. One. I better quit there. Got in about 4 or 5 shots. That's the Glock model. This is a model 27 with the 22 conversion kit.